Did people die or something? What is this car?
So it's been 12 days since I started my self-isolation since I landed Korea, and the city recommends to people who's done quarantine or almost done with quarantine to do a second checkup with coronavirus. So this is the app that traces you 24/7. You're supposed to get it at the airport, and since you get this on your phone, this app will trace you 24 hours, and if you leave your premises from the last location that got detected here, there will be police, and then once you get caught, you have to pay 1 million Korean won or 10,000 US dollars or 8,500 euros, or you will get thrown to jail for a year. So this is the app, and basically this is how it goes. You click it. And this, I already done it. You're supposed to do it at 9 and 4. It shows mark your temperature, do you have any cough, and do you have any throat problem, if there's any problem with breathing, and then you're supposed to mark if there's something extra, and then you click it, save. And now I'm about to go outside and do the last check. The craziest thing is, it's quite a paradox though, because when I was coming to here, they drove me to this flat, but when I'm going to this facility, I can't use public transportation, I can't use taxi. It's either by my car or by my bicycle or by foot. And car and bicycle that I don't have, so I just need to wear a mask. But the thing is, rather than just walking around and trying to expose myself to external environment, I decided myself to do some running. The way there is 5 kilometers, and then way back is another 5, which makes it 10 kilometers. I think that will do some exercise for the day. I'm already a bit suffocating, but let's see how it goes. A bit crazy though. So all the crazy recycle.
Come on. It's hard to breathe in general, and with the mask on, it's almost impossible to breathe. The thing with the navigation I'm using is that it's the most popular one in Korea. It's like by the Korean Google. It doesn't really give me the direction when I'm trying to run, so I'm going with the car direction. So I've got about 1.5 kilometers left, and it's like, I got used to it. In the beginning I thought my lungs were going to fall out, but it's not as bad anymore. I think I just got used to the pain. I don't know if it's the mask that is just like keep myself moist in the lungs. That says medical center. I think I made it here. I think that's the room. 안녕하세요. 뭐지 미추홀부 보건소에다가 문의해가지고 권고사항이라고 3일 전에 한번 받아야 된다고 해서 왔거든요. 제가 저번 주 월요일. 네.
여기 진료소 오실 때 혹시 뭐 타고 오셨어요?
제가 그냥 걸어왔어요.
의료진에서요?
네네.
검사 결과는 내일쯤 나올 거고요. 자가 격리 기간 챙겨주시면 돼요.
네. 네. 아, 그런가? So So basically, this is a test room, and they didn't allow any cameras this time. But if you want to check out how it was, I'll put it up here. So the test goes like this, in case you don't know how it goes. It looks like a really long swab. It's like double side, it's about this length, and they shove it in through a throat. That was the last time. But this time they were like, Jesus Christ, what the f, man? But this time, they just like, they kind of went around it. So it wasn't like this. I didn't gag or anything. But the nose one, they really put it, I felt like it was up here almost. Can you even imagine? If you're curious, you can do it yourself, but it hurts. Oh, so the map said it was 5 kilometers, and if I walked, that was gonna be 56 minutes, but I made it in 30 minutes, and then the test was like 5 minutes. Yeah, probably gonna have to run again, otherwise I'm just only getting cold. I think I refilled my swap pack, so I wanted to throw these away. I don't know if you can see it, but I think I finally found a recycle place, or a rubbish bin in general. Walked about halfway, so 2.5 kilometers, and now there's one T. Only I can run again. So in the back there, that's like where all the old people hang out, and like, you know, it's like old people spot. I'm like inside of the campus because like it's sort of on the way back home, and look, what happened here, mate? Did people die or something? What is this car? I've got about 2-3 days left, and there's so many things I want to. There's so many things that I'm running out, and I really had to push myself down not to go anywhere because that is completely new.
I mean, it's been a couple months already. I think it started in December and it's almost like 4 or 5 months now. And I understand people are getting out of patience, but we just have to push it through and then put an end to this. I really appreciate all the efforts from the frontline workers, and I wish you guys stay healthy and safe, wash your hands, social distancing, please keep it to the end. If there's anything you want to see or to be explained, please comment below and then like, and if you really like it, of course. And if you really like the video, sharing is caring, share it out there, and please stay tuned for the next video.